In part 5 of the Kung Fu workout and tutorial at home, we are introduced to the Shaolin Quan, which consists of 4 new movements to be learned continuously from the previous lesson. The first movement, Rufeng Sibi, also known as apparent close-up, is a protection move designed to defend against attacks from all directions. The second movement, Dahu Shi, which translates to beat the tiger, involves the left hand making a circle to protect the face and head, while the right hand can either protect or launch an attack towards the lower body. This movement emphasizes the use of waist twist to generate strong power. The third movement is a circle punch, where the left hand is used to block incoming attacks, followed by a quick punch with the right hand. This movement is effective in both defense and offense. The fourth and final movement is the double palm strike, where power is generated from the waist. By pushing the double palms with quick footwork, practitioners can execute a powerful and swift attack. Overall, mastering these movements in the Shaolin Quan will not only enhance one's physical strength and agility, but also improve one's self-defense skills and overall martial arts technique.
From part 1 till part 4, we total have 18 moves. So it's including single punch and double punch and palm and double palm. Also horse stance and ball stance, also with principle. The last 3 moves with also defense movements and also with 罗汉撞钟 and also with the second place. What? Let's at down part. This is a protection move. Your left hand protect your face and this one go down. This move called Rufeng Sibi, protect early directions. So this is the same name from Tai Chi movements. So your hand on top and also other hand on the down part. You can protect this direction, you can make a punch, or you can use this one, you turn to this way and make a punch right here. Of course, you can do any direction you want. Alright, so quick note for your punches, how to make stronger and faster. So the first move, the left hand. So relax your shoulder, you go quick you can protect your face. So punch it, you go blocking. So your left leg, how to pair it with your left hand. So 1, so you can repeat just for that move. You go 1, right leg with your hand to pair also. So you punch down, you stop, become stop, both stance. So you can also to practice, to separately, you go stop and power. And you waist twist a tiny bit and this one's protect. You can do fight back, Rufeng Sibi. You got another move, go shot, the Dahu Shi. More use your legs, you can't use your legs to fight back, you can sweep, and you go kick, you go this way, and you come back, punch, or block the leg, and pull back, and you go boom, punch the face. 1, cross, 2, right hand, and sweep, go down, and you go stop. So with your knee lift and with your circle punch, the circle punch, right? Very quick. You know circle punch, how to use. Someone punch you, you go blocking, right? Circle, relax, boom, and boom, you punch back. If someone sweep you on the down part, so you go boom, lift your knee, but same time, boom, to attack. Boss, this is all blocking, but this is a fist, this is your hand, palm, 1, 2, and you go boom, explosive and quick power. 1, 2, circle, and attack. 1, 2, you go boom, 1, 2, and you go knee, go punch, you go 1, 2, and you go boom, power out for this side. This is the other technique, it's more pushing, but this is really attack. That's really half the power. So you go boom, double, really like snap quick. So this one 4, because the increased speed and power to move your feet quick you can. So you go the same thing in this side. So you move and stop, you go and switching, the same thing, this way, you go this, you go strong, training, Let's review the movement we learning before. Both hands become fist on your waist, you step to right, both hands from your waist, and double hook. And both hands become palm, back to waist, and go to right side. Go up, your eye follow to right hand, and push down. Your hand crossing, palm, right hand go up, left hand inside, and you go this move to blocking this side. And cross your both hands, you step to right, and you go boom, 单掌. Switch, get back, you fit, palm, down. After this, you stop, cross. your elbow, push. Both hands open and cross. Right here. Collect the energy and go straight up and go double your elbows. So your left hand go this way and go straight together with your hands. And you stop your right hand blocking this way and you go both stance with your hands. You quick switch your feet, both hands on your waist. You make slap kick, both hands back to your waist and you go double pass. Both hands coming to this side and come back. Your waist. You make stance double pass. Both hands open and come back to middle. And both hands become palm. And go to right side, come back to your waist. You make powers. Pop your hand, become fist. So protect your fist. Cross, protect down part, landing. And both hands become 罗汉正中. And quick, 1, 2, second, and come back down. Alright, hi my friend, and that's all for today. I have a great time to teaching you, always. I enjoy it very much. Quick review, the 4th move we're learning today. The first move called 如风势壁 means protect 4 directions. So you're moving like this. So second move called 打虎式 is called beat the tiger. Number 3 move is called circle punch. It's very useful like a Bruce Lee, circle punch. And last move called double palm. It's simply you have to work on your hand technique, very powerful in outside your palm and also with the steps. Quick, power, strong. The last thing I like to share is more related for our Kung Fu training is how to manage your time and energy. So for time, I think not more important than energy. If you have good energy, you can be more effective to using your time. You in short time, you can do more things. Like today, I planning for 1 hour to do this video. It's not only about teaching. Also, I want to, to wake up. I feel like can extend my energy to other things. So I give you myself 1 hour. So I start alarm from 12 to 1 o'clock. It feels great after 1 hour. I'm moving my body, every part. I feel warm up. I feel like so much energy. I feel prepared for the whole day. Okay, my friend. So I want you to stay safe and healthy and happy. Wish you have a wonderful day. I see you in next video. I love you. Bye-bye.